Generative AI is a type of computer technology that can create new things from scratch. Most older computers were built to follow rules or sort through information that already existed. They could tell you if a picture had a dog in it or calculate a math problem. Generative AI is different because it acts more like a creator. It can write stories, draw pictures, and even make music. It does this by learning from a massive amount of data that humans have already made. Think of it like a person who has read every book in a library. That person would eventually learn how sentences are put together and how stories flow. If you ask them to write a new story, they could use what they learned to create something original. Generative AI works in a similar way. It looks for patterns in the information it was given. When you give it a prompt, it uses those patterns to predict what should come next. When you ask a generative AI tool to write a letter, it is not just copying and pasting text from the internet. It is actually building the letter word by word based on what it thinks makes sense. It calculates which word is most likely to follow the previous one. This is why it feels so human when you talk to it. It has learned the rhythm of our language and how we express ideas. This technology is used in many different ways today. Some people use it to help them brainstorm ideas for work. Others use it to create beautiful digital art just by describing what they want to see. It can even help programmers write code faster by suggesting the next few lines. Because it can process so much information so quickly, it saves people a lot of time on creative tasks. However, it is important to remember that the AI does not actually understand the world the way we do. It does not have feelings or real-life experiences. It is simply a very advanced machine that is excellent at recognizing patterns. Sometimes it can make mistakes or state facts that are not true because it is just following a pattern rather than checking for reality. This is why humans still need to check the work that the AI produces. The future of this technology is moving very fast. It is becoming a part of the tools we use every day, like our email and our phones. As it gets better, it will become even more helpful at solving complex problems. It is an exciting tool that changes how we think about creativity and machines. It makes it possible for anyone to bring an idea to life, even if they do not have special technical skills.